here, look at this one. Look at people just running. Little pops.
Yeah.
That's a breaking shit. Some dragon. Yeah, what's that thing?
What's she chasing?
Nothing.
They're just taking
They're
it.
just taking everything.
Little body.
Damn.
Hello, hello.
Well,
We don't want you to get behind everything.
I guess I just get confused because I'm like, I don't like the Republicans more than anybody else, but that doesn't make me want to go like, oh my god. What? That doesn't make me want to go like, break shit.
You're biting again. Oh, you got shot.
Damn, were you riding
Razor.
too? I bet that was
Razor.
sweet.
I wasn't riding. This is awesome.
So tiny.
This is just like a war zone here. You get all the pops, pop.
So
Yeah, those are probably rubber balls.
Yeah, for sure.
Oh, that's fun to try.
Just